Some people see disruption as a challenge, but we at Learn Transformation see it as an opportunity. To take the lead, the future of HR demands big shifts in mindsets, capabilities, and digital enablers with Revive at the core. Hello friends, welcome back to Learn Transformation. And in this video, we'll talk about digital HR transformation, future of HR, and role of HR leader in digital transformation. So let's get going. As Steve Jobs said, technology is nothing. What's important is that you have a faith in people that they are basically good and smart. And if you give them tools, they'll do wonderful things with them. Now the question arises, what is the need of digital HR transformation? A key transformation that has taken place in the past decade is the evolution of HR into a strategic function. Today, digital transformation is presenting HR with an opportunity to prove that they are key strategic differentiators for the organization. After all, it's the people who decide how technology is to be used, and it's the HR team which creates a conducive culture for their workforce to do so. Now let's see what is digital HR transformation. If we talk about digital transformation, then it's the process of integrating digital technology into a business. And for the HR world, it means incorporating digital technology to improve how the department and the organization functions. It involves HR shift from manager to digital business partner, where HR behaves digitally and sets an example to the rest of organization as well. HR digital transformation is a process of changing operational HR processes to become automated and data driven. Now the question is, how can organization change the HR function itself to operate in a digital way, use apps to deliver solutions, and continuously experiment and innovate? Here are 4 key roles of HR leader, which will be discussed in the next slide one by one, and these roles are HR as an innovator, HR as a driver of business, HR as a change agent, and HR as a collaborator. So the first thing is what an HR can do as an innovator. He or she can hire people with digital capabilities like design thinking, data orientation, and network leadership. Second, they can create a culture conducive for the workforce to innovate, where people have the room not only to fail quick but also learn from each of these setbacks. They can also train and reward employees for moving away from age-old practices and displaying novelty in their approach. Second role of HR as a driver of business propel the organization forward. In essence, the HR function needs to transform from being a personal function such as handling payroll, a predictable training, to being instrumental in organizational development. HR as a change agent. Even if initiatives are driven by a dedicated digital team, remember, no success can be attained if HR doesn't throw its weight behind it. According to best HR leaders, some of the factors needed to bring about effective change are articulating a compelling vision, building credibility and trust, project management, and a structured follow-up to ensure the sustainability of change initiatives being implemented. And the last role of HR is as a collaborator. Technology and digital have changed the way in which organizations function. It's well established by now that digital transformation starts with the CEO and can't happen in silos. While the entire leadership team is getting involved in this transformation process, several organizations are appointing chief digital officers to lead this change process. Thanks for watching right till the end. I hope you got some valuable information about digital HR transformation, and if you really like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation and press the bell icon right next to it to stay updated regarding a new videos on transformation. You can also visit our website where you can publish your articles, stories and blogs and raise your voice across world. You can also catch us on other social media handle. Till then, take care, have a good one.